Hello, people. This is Pranay Paul joining me, Shommo Subrode, and welcome to the brand new episode of Football Buzz. यहाँ पे हम लोग बात करने वाले आपके चहीदा शो फैंटेसी प्रीमियर लीग। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे कैसे हम लोग 100 मिलियन बजट पे हम लोग एक बढ़िया सा टीम बना सकते हैं। और शोम्मो, क्या बता सकते हैं और हम लोग कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं हम लोग के व्यूअर्स को?
हम हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं इनको हम प्लेयर्स के बारे में प्लेयर्स सारे जो प्लेयर्स होते हैं हमारे जो टॉप फॉर्म्स में चलते हैं कौन से क्योंकि ये सारे प्लेयर्स जो हैं कई सारे गेम वीक्स पे ये इजी ओपोनेंट्स के साथ खेलेंगे और कई सारे गेम वीक्स पे ये डिफिकल्ट ओपोनेंट्स के साथ खेलेंगे। हम ये सारे डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं आपको और कौन से प्लेयर्स को हमें चूज करना चाहिए या फिर अपने टीम में एज ए ऑल्टरनेट ऑप्शन हम रख सकते हैं। ये सारे डिटेल्स हम आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। इसके अलावा हम यहाँ पे आपको चिप्स के बारे में भी जानकारी देंगे कि कौन से वीक्स में कौन से गेम वीक्स में स्पेशली आप कौन से प्लेयर्स पे ये सारे चिप्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
तो ठीक है, और बिना देरी के स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग विद द टीम सिलेक्शन फॉर द गेम वीक 1। और ये आ गया हम लोगों का द फैंटेसी फुटबॉल लीग सिलेक्शन पेज। और तो सोमो, गोल कीपिंग में कैसे स्टार्ट करना है? मतलब बजट ऑप्शन रखना है कि प्रीमियम ऑप्शन रखना है?
हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम गेम वीक्स के बेसिस पे फिलहाल
ठीक है,
लाइक
मैं अच्छा तो लेट्स चेक आउट द फिक्सचर्स हैव इन गेम वीक 1। सो ब्रेंटफोर्ड होम मैच, न्यूली प्रमोटेड टीम आर्सेनल के साथ। उसके बाद मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड में लीड्स के साथ। उसके बाद है बर्नली
ये
ब्राइटन के साथ। तो क्या लगता है कौन सा ऑप्शन हम लोगों के लिए सूटेबल होगा फॉर गोलकीपर?
इमलियो मार्टिनेज को खिला सकते हैं या फिर हम लिवरपूल के बेकर को खिला सकते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने हार्डली परफॉर्म किया है कोपा अमेरिका में एंड आई
मोस्टली
बिलीव वो
एडरसन ने खेला है पूरा मैच, आई
एग्जैक्टली
मीन द टूर्नामेंट।
एग्जैक्टली
तो
एग्जैक्टली तो
क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग, एक प्रीमियम ऑप्शन रखते हैं उसके साथ एक बजट ऑप्शन हम लोग फिट कर देंगे गोलकीपर में।
डेफिनेटली
तो
वो एक सही ऑप्शन रहेगा।
तो एज वी नो,
लेकिन बाकी
लिवरपूल डिफेंस, आई मीन वी कैन ट्रस्ट देयर डिफेंस। सो अगर हम लोग
डेफिनेटली आफ्टर
चाहते हैं
Jurgen took over,
लिवरपूल, तो एक हम लोग ठीक है लिवरपूल के अंदर चले जाते हैं। ओके, सो एलिसन बेकर is in the team, और बजट बजट इन द सेंस लाइक 5 मिलियन के नीचे हम लोग को एक गोलकीपर सेट करना पड़ेगा, आई मीन द मोस्टली द 4.5 ब्रैकेट। ये ऑप्शन पे एक गोलकीपर है जहाँ जिसका फिक्सचर मतलब बहुत ही तगड़ा फिक्सचर है। और ऑब्वियसली नो डाउट, अगर क्लीन शीट के पॉइंट्स भी नहीं आते तो एटलीस्ट सेफ पॉइंट्स आएंगे। तो एंड ही डुबराव का।
Dubravka, exactly. I agree to this.
सो आई
But
मीन द फिक्सचर, लुक एट
consider
हिज फिक्सचर।
it's against West Ham. But
It's
I
again
don't
Western, but
think
I mean the we can see the lot of green lights for the first 15 games. We can
right.
consider him as well. So there is one option Dubravka, and then I believe Brighton has a very solid defense.
Solid
So
defensive.
we can put
If
Sanchez.
if in case क्योंकि अभी बात जो चल रहा है क्योंकि लैम्पी अभी बायर्न के रेडा में है
अच्छा हाँ,
क्योंकि
वो
इनके
लास्ट
पास
सीजन भी थे ब्रायन के रेडर पे।
exactly and Bayern are pushing for this transfer as well. So you never know what happens. इसके अलावा इनके पास ऑप्शंस भी है so we can keep
So what do you think? What should we prefer? A Dubravka
কথা
or
শুনতে পাচ্ছি
a Sanchez? Yes, Omar, हाँ।
सॉरी इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम्स में
एक तो
सो
बात हो गई जरूर।
सो एग्जैक्टली हम वो कर सकते हैं इसके इसके सिवा और कई सारे अगर ऑप्शंस हम देखें लाइक एलिसन बेकर
अरे सब ऑलरेडी हम लोग के टीम पे।
ओके एंड जी हाँ हम सैंचेज या
Dubravka.
Dubravka.
So अगर हम लोग
That's
देखते हैं
really
Dubravka fixtures for the first 15 game weeks, how many green lights he had? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six green lights, okay. But that doesn't matter, the green lights. And then we have uh, Burnley goalkeeper, Brighton goalkeeper, Sanchez. Fixtures, okay. We see one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Okay, so I think Sanchez is the safest option. So we can add Sanchez. Okay, so Alisson and Sanchez. So let's move on to
wow.
the defense,
Alisson and Sanchez
जहाँ
will
पे
be a,
हम लोग till the end wait करते हैं to get all those 6 points. It's a
exactly.
very
And you never
good
know,
shit. You never
Alisson
know
has the capability of giving
scoring goals.
those assists, you know. You
Yes,
never
you
know
do
when
know.
produces those magical assists.
So talking
Wow.
about
I
defenders,
remember that assist he produced against Manchester United to
I
Salah.
mean,
Oh
you
my,
look into the Premier League, the Brazilian goalkeepers, Ederson, Alisson Becker, they don't mind assisting their striker.
never, never.
So in the defense, so I don't think we should keep any option of Arsenal defense.
No,
I
I
don't
don't
think
believe because for me, I don't trust Arsenal backline at
lineups.
all.
Yeah, they don't have any confirmed lineups. Like they keep on
Exactly,
rotating their players.
right.
Okay,
So
so
Justin is also not 100% fit. So like
I guess
I like the
if we want to have some Leicester defense, we might go with Fofana as his price has dropped down from 5 to 4.5.
wow, that's really awesome. Yes, Fofana
So
has performed
I
really
mean,
well last season.
I think he's a regular
So
starter in the back three lineup
yes,
mostly. How Leicesters
mostly
play.
in
Yeah.
most of the cases. Yes.
So this is Fofana. Like he's been having a very great season. I mean, his last season was very impressive. So I
And
mean,
look at Ben White. His
okay.
price has
But
like
there is some rumors going on that Ben White might join Arsenal. You never know.
exactly. This
So
yes, we know on that part as
so
well.
we can add Fofana.
Yes, and
Uh, which defender is in our team after Fofana?
so like we can go for Kofal. Vladimir
So far,
Kofal has
okay.
been
So far,
yes,
yeah,
he
he's
had
been great.
performed really well.
I
Yes,
mean,
he
he's a
had
very
performed
strong
really
defender. He's a
well,
very strong defender, and the amount
and
of
he can
assists he has
produce
produced.
exactly.
I mean,
That's what
he
I
has produced in the Euro also.
exactly. He had performed really well in the Euros as well.
Okay, so
So he
Sufar is
had
in our
been getting
team, Fofana, and let's see the fixtures. So,
we
what about
can
Man
like
City defenders? I mean, they got the best defense.
they got the best defense, but at times, you know, they perform
Uh,
really bad, man.
okay,
But yes, we can trust their backline because under Guardiola, Stones Diaz combination has performed really well. So
but again,
we can do
you never know the Guardiola rule.
exactly. So what we can do from the City backline, we can keep João Cancelo because he hadn't performed in the Euro at all.
He was
He was
injured,
out due
so
to yes, he was out due to Corona, and I believe he will
so
get a chance.
if we put
And
Cancelo in our team, uh, there might be some budget strain, maybe. Let's see if we just
so
start with.
if
I mean,
not
I guess
Cancelo, we can
the only people
go
we can trust in defense is Ederson and Diaz. These two guys
but
absolutely a
but
starter.
go for budget, then I believe we should
Stones.
offer Stones
Okay.
because he had partnered really well
That's
with
that.
Maguire in Euros. Like they had the most number of clean sheets, and that's an
Yes, we do.
amazing stat.
Okay, so We have Stones, Sufal, Fofana. I guess we have to choose budget defenders from.
And yes, budget defenders. About budget defenders, if you go,
What
then
about Burnley defense?
exactly that's what I was talking about. I was just
Look at the
thinking
fixture of
about
Burnley.
Lawton. I was
Yeah,
just thinking about Lawton because
Burnley.
he's
I
a
mean,
regular starter
yeah,
and
Ian Taylor.
his price,
Look at the
yes,
fixture of Burnley.
right. And
Green all the way.
If not Burnley, then we can go for Alling, that Leeds defender. He produces beautiful
Ailing. Okay, we are talking about Ailing. Huh.
exactly.
So what we can do, we can keep Lawton and Ailing. That will save our budget.
What about Alioski? Even
Alioski
Alioski because
left. Alioski left Leeds.
okay, Alioski.
Yeah,
Ah, third
after the international tournament छोड़ दिया उसने.
transfer. Okay,
Like he left. ऐसा नहीं कि transfer हुआ है. He left. I don't know the reason.
okay.
So if we choose Lawton and
So
Ailing.
Ailing.
Okay, so we move inside Leeds.
Ailing, Cooper, Ailing or Cooper.
Cooper
Because
is centre back, so I think Cooper won't be any threat.
but Cooper
Talk about.
produces those goals, man. But I believe
They have
we
a new
should
left back.
we should avoid Leeds defense, man. Because if we look at
Because
the first four game weeks, then I don't think we'll be using uh, them at all.
Okay.
Because
So maybe after
what
the
we can
fourth
do
game week, after the Liverpool
exactly
game, we
what
can
we
choose
can
Leeds.
right. What we can do, we can shuffle between Ailing and Luke Shaw. We can keep Luke Shaw for the first 4 game weeks, and
Okay.
after 4 game weeks, we can replace him with Ailing. So I
Okay.
believe
So
that will be good
if
call.
we choose Luke Shaw, okay. Okay. So in defense we have Fofana, Sufal, Stones, Lawton, Shaw. Okay. So we have only 2 centre backs and 3 full backs. Okay,
Right.
that's a very good option. So
So how
coming
much
on
we
to
have to do it?
our most crucial position of Fantasy Premier League as the midfielder. So before moving to that, ऐसे ही पूछता हूँ मैं कौन सा फॉर्मेशन सही रहेगा टीम के लिए. द मिडफील्डर फिफ्थ मतलब 5 मिडफील्डर की 4 मिडफील्डर.
3-5-2, 3-4-3, either one. I always prefer 3-5-2.
Either. Okay, so then we need to focus on midfielders more than strikers.
Right. I'll
Okay, so
more just focus on
so
midfielders.
I guess there's no, कोई second thought आएगा नहीं when we see Salah. He has to
Exactly.
be in
He
fantasy.
has to be there. And when
Okay,
the first game week is against Norwich,
that's some fixture.
because
There will be goals,
people,
lot of goals.
exactly, people, there will be some sort of players, some bad, what to say, there will be some segment of players who will triple captain Salah in the first
Yeah,
game
there,
week itself.
there will be some punt, and we have seen this before. Like out of nowhere, first
Because
game week,
out of
triple captain.
exactly, and you know what? Salah loves scoring against Norwich.
Liverpool players love scoring against Norwich. So okay, so we have 52 million left in our pocket, and we have 7 players to choose. Okay,
So
so we have Salah. What's the second
and
option?
then the second option, I would like.
I think we
would
should
love
really focus on Chelsea players this time. And the only player that keeps in my mind, that strikes my mind when I see Chelsea is Kai Havertz. You can't ignore him in this season.
definitely he had scores. He scored
He
some
scored
good
against Germany. He scored against, in the Premier,
goals
in
for
the
Germany.
Champions League.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
So
So
for this season, I guess might be. I'm not sure. It's just the starting of the season. For me, the player of the season might be Kai Havertz. I don't know. It's a very wild
You
guess.
never know. You never know because he is one player who produces goals and who
And he
can
loves
score goals.
scoring and he loves assisting goals. He loves running over the ball and helping the team. So if we choose Kai Havertz, so we have two premium players in midfield. What other options do we have?
We can keep McGinn.
Joe McGinn.
McGinn,
Okay. What about
yes.
Buendia? I mean, I guess
Wendia,
Grealish
yes,
will be
yes, yes.
going. Grealish will be
Like
going.
Grealish will be going for sure. He will be
And
going to for sure.
इसीलिए शायद बुंदिया को खरीदा गया क्योंकि उन लोगों को पता चल गया ग्रिलिश
और
नहीं रहने वाला।
Grealish नहीं रहने वाला.
तो अगर हम लोग एस्टन विला जा रहे हैं, आई थिंक 6.5 Buendia. Yes, say 6.5. We have only 37 budget left and we have five players to select. Let's take an
Okay.
average and there will be a 7 million. What options do we have in 7 million? I mean, we do have lots of options in 7 million. But then if we're going for
Uh,
five midfielders, then I think we need another premium midfielders, I suppose.
we should
So
keep another premium midfielder. But before that,
what
I
do you
believe
think about Rapina?
yes, Rafinha had Rafinha and even Harrison.
Harrison, Jack Harrison.
Yes, Harrison had permanently signed for Leeds United
Yes,
after
yeah.
his
Man City.
yes. So Jack
And
Harrison is one.
Harrison is also like 5.5 million cheaper than Rapina.
So we can go for Harrison.
इस इस प्लेयर को बहुत जरूरत है हम लोग की टीम में, बट क्या करें, नहीं है पैसा।
क्या करे नहीं है पैसा मैं दे देता हूँ ना ले ले खरीद ले इसको
के लिए तो बैंक भी लोन नहीं
इब्राहिम
देने वाला है।
हाँ
के लिए तो बैंक भी लोन नहीं देने वाला है हम लोग को। एंड ही
तो
इज द ओनली प्रॉपर स्टार्टर इन मैन सिटी। आग बंद करके
राइट
भरोसा कर दो इस पे।
डेफिनेटली और ये बंदा आपको असिस्ट गोल्स दे
सो
के ही रहे
दिस इज ए वेरी, आई मीन,
बिग
देयर इज नो
डायलेमा
फर्नांडिस इन आवर टीम। हाउ इज दैट
yes
पॉसिबल?
there is no Fernandez there is no De Bruyne that can't happen so I
ओके,
believe we need to
फोकस
like
ऑन सम अदर प्लेसेस मे बी।
yes
स्पर्स, मैन
for
सिटी,
now I would go for
जैक
Thomas Rosset.
हैरिसन,
Yes, Jack Harrison and Thomas Rosset. So Thomas,
सोचेक। ओके,
yes. So he performed well last season, and he can produce
okay,
those
so
good
okay,
headers.
fourth player. Mhm. Okay, so we have Socek in our list, and if we just move around, then what about this guy? Not a starter. He won't be a starter
He
with
won't be a
Manchester United.
starter at United. He won't be a starter. You got Jadon
This
Sancho,
this
you got
this guy
Mark
this guy
Rashford.
was this
But
guy was
yes,
dynamite.
we can take a call on Greenwood because this
Because
season he will be an
starting,
influential player. And look, the best part about Greenwood would be he is a midfielder here, but in the field,
but he
he'll be
plays a striker. I mean, there will be a
exactly.
rotation with Cavani. So
Yes, there will be a rotation, but he loves scoring goals, and his
so
left foot is just as lethal as his right one. So
okay, so
we can take
we can take a punt on Greenwood
right man.
if we choose Greenwood. Okay. So we have 23 million and we have three
Okay,
strikers.
23 million.
Okay, so 7 million roughly.
We will mostly focus on like 3-5-2 formation.
So I guess we have to select this striker, Mr. Tony, Ivan Tony.
Yes, we that's what we can keep him. Look, we have 23.5 million in our bank, so 6.5 yeah. So we'll be still लेफ्ट विथ 17 में से हम चाहे तो हम 10 मिलियन का भी एक प्लेयर को स्ट्राइकर को खरीद सकते हैं.
बट
यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जेमी वार्डी.
अच्छा,
हु वुड, मैन, either you keep, we can give, look what we can do. Look, we have 23.5 in our budget, right? Just I'm just having a plan. Okay, just allocate Vardy, Bamford, and Tony. See what's the negative one,
okay.
negative
So
balance.
I'm not quite sure about Vardy because I guess Iheanacho is more lethal than Vardy. I'm not sure. I'm just.
But Vardy is a regular starter.
I mean,
Iheanacho may not be.
he because Leicester signed a new striker.
Yes,
So if we see Vardy, his fixtures are delicious. We can't ignore Vardy because of his fixture. Okay, so we have Vardy, we have
and
Ivan
we
Tony,
have Bamford and even Tony. I believe we'll be left with a negative of
left with
1.5,
6.5, and Bamford is I think 7.5. Bamford.
8, I believe.
Okay, so
If not,
there
if not
is
Bamford, we can take a call. If not Bamford, we can take a call on Ollie Watkins.
Ole Watkins is 7.5.
Yes. You want to go with Chris Wood?
I mean, the fixtures are tempting. You just cannot ignore Wood. Look at his fixture. Wood is the option we can also. अगर हम एवर्टन का फिक्सचर देखते हैं
Calvert-Lewin.
सर डोमिनिक कैल्वर्ट-लुइन
Yes, he has
बट
kind
ऑब्वियसली
of scoreable fixtures. I won't
ऑप्शन
say
पे
difficult, but
hmm,
we can keep him alternate option. And
we can also consider him.
yes, so we will be making changes in this team. It's
Hmm.
just a trial version which we are putting currently. Viewers, don't worry, we will bring you all the live updates. Whatever changes we make in our team, you will definitely have a look on this. This is just a
Absolutely.
trial which we are doing today.
So uh, I mean I think we should cut Alisson.
Yes, I think we should take away Ellison, and rather we should now focus on some. We have got Martinez, right? We can
Yes,
keep
we have
Martinez
an
in that
option
team.
of Martinez, and then we do have an option of what options do we have? Schmeichel. No,
Fabianski,
we have listed defense.
yes, we
Fabianski,
have.
we do have Sufal.
Okay,
So
ब्रो पिकफोर्ड को रख सकते हैं.
हाँ
एक बार
एवर्टन का फिक्सचर सही है
पिकफोर्ड का फिक्सचर देख लो.
ये कहाँ गया एवर्टन
नीचे नीचे नीचे. Just scroll down, scroll
Pickford
down.
is 5. Okay, 5 million is quite affordable. Okay, so I mean Rafa, let's see what he can do.
Right, right, right. Rafa
I
can.
mean there will be a lot of boost in against Liverpool. बंदे ने क्या पलटी मार दिया finally.
To
So we have 7.5. Okay, that's something
so
we're looking
M
for.
can be
7.5 we have option of Watkins. We have an option of Chris Wood, Wilson, and then Antonio. So if we just
just look at the fixture of Che Adams.
share them, this guy, not sure.
No, 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 no,
I
no.
mean, he has a very tempting fixture, Southampton,
Right,
but
right.
I'm not quite sure about Southampton, about
Look,
him
man,
and
we can keep this guy Antonio as well.
Antonio.
Seven
I
point
mean,
yes,
yeah.
7.5, and we will be having good options.
So okay, so I'm look with Antonio. First match
Right.
against Newcastle. Okay, so I guess our team is ready for, I'm not quite ready. There will be a changes because काफी transfer होने वाले हैं. उसके basis पे यहाँ पे भी transfer effect होगा. Okay, so this is our team for the
So
first
what
game
will
week.
be our starting 11?
Okay, so let's check this out. I mean, we have Pickford
3-5
and Sanchez. So Pickford mostly will play. I mean, if he doesn't play, then Sanchez will be covering him up. So
covering. Right.
okay, Fofana, okay, he will be playing. Sufal, he might miss first 2-3 game
So
week.
far he might miss, and it's a away match, so
Okay,
I
yeah,
won't.
definitely will miss.
So
So
it's
Lowton will
better
be
that
playing. Lowton खेलेगा.
Lowton खेलेगा,
And
and
then
then we can replace him with Luke Shaw. Luke Shaw जरूर start करेगा because against Leeds, I don't believe
they
Ole
have any
will
other option in left
bring.
side.
Yes, because exactly
Williams जाने
Alex
वाला है, most probably.
right, Williamson Southampton जाने वाला है, and I don't think कि ऐसा कुछ changes भी होने वाले
Okay,
हैं.
so not
Alex,
sure. Okay, midfield में Greenwood start करने वाला है for sure. And he is none other than our favorite captain option for game week
captain.
1. Havertz भी खेलेगा, बहुत पहले जर्मनी निकल चुका था. Buendia, he might start, he might not start, I'm not sure.
Jack
We'll,
Harrison against United, I don't think so. It's better
uh,
we
better we
play
take
a normal
Antonio.
striker. Yes.
Okay. Striker में I guess Tony will be, I mean, he'll be like
Tony,
busting from the middle because in front of Brentford fans.
true.
He will be exploding. He will be exploding in first game.
And you know what the best part about this guy? He doesn't only
Uh,
score goals, produces them as
he
well.
loves helping the team with assists.
So guys, अभी फिलहाल के लिए हम आपको इतना ही अपडेट कर रखते हैं. अगर टीम में कोई भी चेंजेस होगा या
We'll definitely
अगर
be coming up with a new video.
definitely
That's for
we'll
sure for
definitely.
you guys.
So please like,
This
share, and
video,
subscribe our channel.
subscribe our channel FPL Buzz and प्लीज डू कमेंट क्या लगता है आपको कहाँ पे हम लोग को चेंजेस करने हैं और आपके हिसाब से कौन से प्लेयर को ज्यादा हम लोग फोकस पे रखना चाहिए तो फॉर
Most
मोर
definitely.
रेगुलर
Comments
अपडेट्स
are always welcome.
टू FPL Buzz एंड चेस
Cheers.